Hello, welcome back to Maths with Lloydie. We're on question 5. We have another activity networks question, which is very rare they come up twice. So Noah is a wedding organizer. I know what you're thinking. He hasn't mentioned the sponsors. They are there. They are still watching over us at all times. Noah is a wedding organizer. I nearly said wedding singer. It's a great film. A wedding he is organizing is made up of 10 activities. He has started to draw the activity network. Durations are shown in weeks. So I'm going to write this down here. A, B, E, F, I, J are critical values, or is the critical path. Work out the duration for B. So that just means that 9 plus something will equal 15. 15 take away 9 is equal to 6. So that is 6. Nice and easy. State one possible pair of durations for activities E and F. So from 15. B will finish it. So the early time, let me just put 6 there. It's going to make 15. These two have to add up to make 5. So I'm going to have 2 and 3, or you could have 1 and 4, 3 and 2, 4 and 1. Explain why, with the information given, it is not possible to work out the duration of activity G. I think it is going to be something to do with the critical path. So I'm going to say, because it's not on the critical path. And because of that, we have we don't know the float time, we don't know the early start time, we don't know the late start time of those activities around it. And therefore, this is not very easy for us to sort of work out. I would say it has to be at least 3, but it's not critical. So it could be 2, it could be 1, it could be 1.5. So there is almost unlimited things it could be. I'll just check the mark scheme so I can give you information on this. So it says activity G is not a critical activity. It's not on the critical path. It has a float. The float on G is unknown. We don't know the earliest start time. We don't know the latest finish time. So all of those are quite useful. Okay, let's go to part B now. So part B, work out the values of X and Y. So 20 plus X should equal Y. And then Y plus X plus 1 should equal 27. Interesting. Because then we can say, well, Y will equal, take away 1, 26, take away X. Y equals 26, take away X. Then I can substitute that bit into this bit. So 20 plus X is equal to 26 minus X. Bring the X across for 2X, take away 26, giving me X is 3. And then we substitute back into this bit. So Y will equal 23. X is 3, Y is 23. That makes sense. 3 is a sensible guess for a duration, and Y being the late time or the early time, that makes sense as well within that area of the diagram. What's next? That's it. We're done. That is question 6 over and out. If you found that last bit a bit difficult, have a little look at simultaneous equations, because it was a simultaneous equation that we've just quickly gone through, and I've solved that using substitutions. I hope that makes sense to you, and I'll see you at question 6.